Hello, John with Traveler's Farm again. Here you see me pulling out the jack and the accessories. Going to drop the spare. These go together. Slip in this little hole and crank down. Spare tire will drop. Swapping it out with the 37 with a matching wheel. That way I can put it into the rotation. And also have the full-size spare. Simply comes out. Got the cable and slide the new one in. I did slide it in with the good side facing up. That way it made contact on the back of the wheel. Therefore, while I was riding under there, it's going to get dirty on both sides, so it really doesn't matter. Issue with 37s seems to be the track bar. These Hankook Dynapro XTs, they measured out to be just over 37 on the truck, and they fit. I did not rub the track bar. I plan on getting a adjustable track bar anyway, because I did do a little 2-inch lift just to make sure the rear is aligned. And I went back and forth with this tire, back and forth, and it goes up really good on one side, clears the track bar very well, and you can see it does make contact with the cross members, and it did have a bit of a tough time fitting here. And once I finished up, I watched a couple of other videos and went back in and decided, aired it down. I put it down to just under 20 pounds. If I do get a flat and I'm out and about, don't have a compressor, it will still get me home or get me down the road somewhere. Won't be stuck. And it actually fit up in there fairly well. Looks to sit fairly level. I saw a lot of people posting about theirs. They put it in, it was crooked where it was sticking out underneath the frame. But for now, it seems to fit very well. So just enjoy, watch, and you can see me just beating on it, banging on it, moving back and forth. And if you do this, air down, it will fit a bit better, especially if you are at over 35, because that's pretty much the distance between the frame rails. Again, thanks for watching, and check out some of my other videos. And if you want to join the few and the proud, just like and subscribe. I only have a few subscribers, so you'll be in a pretty elite, exclusive group. Thanks again.